Are you tired of eating the same old snacks every day? Struggling to find something healthy that's also satisfying? What if I told you there's one simple food that can solve this problem? It's delicious, versatile, and packed with nutrients. I'm talking about cashews. You'll learn how to effortlessly add cashews to your diet in ways you've probably never thought of, from snacks to smoothies and even desserts. So stick around because you won't want to miss this. Now, I used to think cashews were just a fancy snack you have at parties, but then I started digging into their nutritional benefits, and wow, these little nuts are full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. The more I looked into it, the more I realized how incredibly versatile they are. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or something to boost the flavor of your meals, cashews can do it all. So let's dive into some of the amazing ways you can add cashews to your diet, starting with the basics. Snacking. Keep it simple. Grab a handful of cashews on their own, or mix them with some dried fruits for a trail mix that's both filling and nutritious. Salads. You can chop up some cashews and sprinkle them over your salad. They add that perfect crunch and a subtle nutty flavor that just elevates the whole dish. Imagine a vibrant green salad with a bit of that creamy crunch delicious. Stir fries. Throw some cashews into your next stir fry. Trust me, they'll bring a creamy, rich element that you didn't know you were missing. Curries. Ever tried using cashews to make a creamy curry sauce? You can blend them to create a smooth, rich base, or sprinkle them on top for a nice crunch. Smoothies. Blend cashews with water to make a creamy base for your smoothie. You won't even need dairy. Try it in your next smoothie recipe for a super smooth texture. Baking. Cashews are a fantastic substitute for other nuts and baked goods. You can even use cashew butter instead of peanut butter in your cookies. Desserts. If you haven't tried cashew-based desserts, you're missing out. You can make cheesecakes, cream pies, or even cashew ice cream. Now, I get it, sometimes it's hard to break old habits and try something new. Maybe you're thinking, but I'm already used to my almonds, peanuts, or other snacks. Or maybe you're worried about the extra calories. But here's the thing. Cashews aren't just about taste, they're also about nourishment. They're packed with essential nutrients, and because they're so satisfying, you won't feel the need to overeat. Plus, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals, and I'll show you how to do that without turning your routine upside down. Here's the twist: cashews can even help you in ways you probably didn't expect. Did you know they can be the base for sauces, dips, and even energy balls? Instead of just snacking on them, you can turn them into creative, healthy alternatives for your everyday meals. Think about it. A cashew-based ranch dip, a smooth cashew hummus, or even no-bake energy balls that you can make in minutes. Who knew cashews could be so versatile, right? Now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to eat cashews? Or better yet, which one of these ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep this healthy journey going. And remember, with cashews, you're not just snacking, you're boosting your health, one tasty bite at a time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.